Hi everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play the basketball game on Facebook using your mobile device. Watch this video till the end for all the details. Facebook offers a fun basketball game that you can enjoy solo, with friends, or in a group. Let's get started with the steps. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap the gaming button under the All Shortcuts section. If you don't see the gaming button, scroll further and tap See More. Use the search bar to type Basketball FRVR or browse the list to find the basketball game. Once you find it, tap on the game to open it. Start playing and enjoy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.